The time has come for your group to generate possible solutions. That's step 4. Now this can be a really enjoyable step for many of you because some of you have been holding back, not offering possible solutions to the group because we said that they shouldn't come until late in the game. Well, guess what? Your time has arrived and it's your opportunity to share. Let's talk about possible solutions. First, remember that as a group you should generate more solutions, not fewer. The more you have from which to choose, the better the likelihood is that you'll actually select the best solution. Always remember too that some of your ideas will frequently come from the research you've engaged in. That's good. It means that you've learned something along the way. And lastly, we're going to use brainstorming as the process to develop the solutions that we may use later. Now, how do we do brainstorming? Well, first off, when we're brainstorming, everyone needs to contribute. This is a joint process and maybe the single most collaborative step of the entire process. Brainstorming basically has two attributes. The first one is that you get together and all just start talking about possible solutions. Just let them all go. Someone should record them, and one person may bounce ideas off of another, and that's great. But you should not comment on anyone's possible solution at the time. Merely record them for later evaluation. If someone has a great idea, keep that to yourself. If someone else has an idea that's not so good, please keep that to yourself as well. They can come out later on in the evaluation process. Now, if you don't have a lot of time to spend in a big group brainstorming session, another possibility is to send everyone home and make them write a list of, let's say, 10 suggestions for possible solutions. Then get together, have everyone compare their lists, and then you can make an entire list as a group of possible selections. This is an inferior method, but it can work. It's absolutely crucial that every group include a change nothing, retain the status quo option. That means if the question is, what should we do about something? The answer is, leave it alone. This could be really important because it's very possible that nothing more should be done about a problem. Maybe everything's being done that should be. Or maybe that nothing can be done about a problem, but still we need to consider it, whether it's the best option or not. And every group must have this as an option. Now, some suggestions for group solutions. First off, the best groups have a lot of options for group solutions. Come up with as many as you can. You can weed them through them later. Also remember, try to be inclusive. Try to get as broad a list of options as possible. Let's not forget that the purpose of this step is to give us a pile of ideas that we can then sort through later and reduce them down to find the very best solution. Step 5, you're almost home.